What's up, good people? Welcome back to another review. Your Gadgets Manze, and with me here is an amazing company, Oraimo Smart Accessories. Now today we have one of their amazing products, one that I really love and one that I use actually on a daily basis. With me hapa hivi is their keyboard. Sawa. Now it's not just a keyboard, it's an Oraimo keyboard. Exactly. It is also mechanical, and now as you can see when you're in a car, it looks kind of bulky, but actually it is not. Now, Oraimo wameijenga in such a way that the material they are using can be light and at the same time can be durable. So kauko na mtoto kwa hao na napendanga kuangusha vitu, ya kiangusha Oraimo haiwezi kuangusha. Get it? Now, with this keyboard, as you open it from the box, it comes with this key thing. Now, this key thing is called a detachable wrist rest. Sawa. So what happens is you just connect it to your keyboard, easy peasy, Evo. And now when you're operating your keyboard on your desk or wherever you're placing it, so you can use easy hapa chini to extend it so that you have a comfortable hold ukiwa nayo kwa meza. Now the wrist placement comes in handy because now you'll be able to type without hurting your wrist kwa meza. Who does not want that? I do. Now, on top of that, this mechanical keyboard has backlight. 14 backlight modes. Now, 14 backlight modes meaning kuna the blipping ones, kuna the one that moves in a waves. There are a lot of them. And in addition to that, what actually does it for me, because I'm an extra dude, is the fact that I can actually customize how my backlight appears when I'm typing. So if you're a gamer and you love this whole vibe, your colors and this whole vibe just makes you look mysterious and all that, this is the keyboard to get. Now, in addition to this, it has programmable notes, meaning I can program all the notes that I have on this ones to work how I want them to. So if I'm playing a game and I do not want to use the cursor arrows, then what I'll do is customize it in such a way where I can use the WSD, as you see, wote tunajuanga sindio, so that you know kisonga mbele is the W, or you can even set it to Y, G, and J, however you want it. Now, another thing that happens with this keyboard that is amazing, once you connect it, and have I told you that it is widely compatible? I think I have not. So the thing is this keyboard is widely compatible with any laptop that you're using as long as it is Windows powered, okay? Now the cable cord, as you can see, it is very resilient. So inamaanisha hii stuff itakulast for long bila kukatika, and the fact that it is using the USB-A, then it tells you it is actually compatible with whatever laptop, as I was saying. In addition as well, tuko na this knob which acts as your volume increase, volume decrease. When you press it, it's a pause. When you press it again, it's a play button. Na pia hapo inawaka. So it's super amazing. You can use it in the dark, maze. So it's amazing that you don't have to go back on your laptop and add volume if you're watching any video from YouTube, or maybe you're making a movie, you know. This is the one that you need. Unaongeza tu hapa volume, unaipunguzia hapo, do everything hapa hivi, and you're good to go. And at the end, it is very, very comfortable. Sawa. Comfortable on your hands and comfortable with your pockets. What am I talking about? Right now, the price that it is going for is 2,500 as opposed to previously when it was 7,000. So Oraimo wameweka on an offer right now for 2,500, so you can rush, go and get it. And who knows, maybe just like the other gadgets that we did, the pods, inaweza kuwa as that the price that they're going to have as their formal price. So go check it out. You will love it. I can bet on that. See you.